All right, so this is an idea of mine. It looks like a Rubik cube, but it is actually, if I can take it out of the box here, let me show you. All right, so it looks like a Rubik cube in the box, but it's made up of pieces which are 2 by 1, and you can see there's different colors around there, so you would assemble it so you end up making what looks like a completed Rubik cube. But what you can do with this is you can have a game of dominoes. So you would keep it in your box so it looks like a Rubik cube, but what you can do is you can split it up like this, and you would have 2 teams. So they would have 6 pieces each, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got these left over. You've got a single and a double, so you could decide if one of them has that piece and that piece. And then maybe whoever had the double piece goes first, and then the second person goes, they have their go. Now what's good about this is this person can lay this white to match that white, to go against that white, but what they can do, these pieces are twistable. So if they decided that they wanted to lay that white so it matches, but they didn't want their opponent to have a white to lay against, they could maybe change that around to a blue if they wanted it, or a red or a green or whatever. So yeah, the idea is that you would play dominoes, but with these, but they're twistable. See, that can't go anywhere. On that side, there's no green on this one, so it would have to go with this side here. And then it would be this person's go. And as you can see, there's no greens on that one as well. There's a white and a yellow, and you keep playing basically until there's reds on there. Yeah, until one of the players wins. There's no red on there. Is there a white on there? Green on there? No. They can go that one there. So you get the idea. Yeah. So it's dominoes, but as you can see, it's made to look like they're Rubik pieces, 2 by 1 Rubik pieces, and then the idea would be at the end of it you would reassemble the cube back in the box to make it look like it was a Rubik cube with all the pieces in the right position. Now obviously I'm just doing this for speed, just to put it back in the box so you can see, but you get all the pieces back in the box then like that, and it just looks like a cube inside the box. But ideally, it becomes a puzzle as well, where you have to put it back in the box so it looks like it's a solved Rubik cube. Anyway, that's my idea of the twistable dominoes. I hope you like it. Thanks very much.